Now, Drew, he finds Zion, hammers it home with the right hand.
This is that basketball to Drew Holiday, which creates a 3-on-2 opportunity, and there's that man.
He set a good screen on offense. Detonating. Look at this, though.
See, he came all the way from that left wing. He has such confidence that he can out-jump.
It'll be side out of bounds, New Orleans. Boston with 3 team fouls. Zion comfortable here today.
There is his AC. He was at the top of the circle. He ran that loop. His defensive man.
Gotta go.
Oh, that's beautiful. On the back door. Beautiful read. You look at. Oh man, that's a great read. That is a great read, and also by Zion. The moment that he sees Hassan Whiteside cover the roll, who was Derek Favors rolling down.
Attack on the Pelicans on the run out. They've got numbers. Williamson. Boy, he exploded.
When he's got a little bit of space. So does he hold it and dribble too much? He says, no, young fella, do your thing.
Right there inside.
Goes to them. Oh, Zion!
Inside off the move, one bounce, jumping off a train.
Rebounded by Ball, who is averaging about 6 boards per game. How about that? Wow.
Expect Zion Williamson initially to be a force in transition. Anytime he's in space, this is what he's capable of. Just watch.
So a ragged start offensively. Zion, oh man.
Okay, listen. You have never, I say this all the time, he is one of
But I'm just letting you know, but
Never had ball. No point. Oh, look at Zion.
that's ball.
Wow. Ceiling rooms going against each other. The lob, Zion. Oh, about that back door.
eye contact with one another.
Yep, you're overplaying.
Yeah,
See you
you're
later.
overplaying. I'm going back door.
Get away from John Moran.
Watch Zion, weak side. Watch Zion,
Here he
weak
goes.
side.
Yes, he's got it.
Zion, weak side.
A lefty, and he left it short. And then the rebound to Ingram. Back to Zion. He goes in and dunks the ball.
Team gets the ball moving. They can be scary.
And that's why another reason Alvin was so frustrated. Here we go. Lob to Williamson, and he's.
Well, throw it up. Let Zion.
Fortunately, Brandon Ingram kept it. It'll be Zion from Drew.
Again.
On his own. And Zion clears out. Up against Dort. Nice jump. He saw it coming.
Different one. This is the one where he contested, got out in transition, and finished that.
A little bit strong. Lonzo for Zion. They're in sync, aren't they?
Shea Gilgeous Alexander's game.
Yes. How about that backdoor allow?
They go to Ingram. Zion Williamson with a hammer. There you go. You know what he said?
Derek Favors took away. Gas possession.
Get your money's worth. A lot of frustration taken out on that windmill. Zion Williams.
The Pelicans secure a rebound. Up ahead, Zion. What up? Bring it home!
Leads the league as you touch down in the open in both free throw attempts and makes. Lob to Zion over the top for his second. 2 missed free throws after the mistake. Zion leaping.
Effort by Kuz.
Lob for Zion. Lonzo.
Bell sharing it, 24 assists, 30 makes. Zion, go for it, brother!
Up one, they go to Williamson, facing up and driving and smashing the rim. Clean up on Holiday, forces another turnover. Williamson inside and throws it down a reach.
I just love the way they advance the ball so quickly.
Number 5 in the NBA in fast break points. Favors, no, but Zion is there with the stick back slam.
Now you get an opportunity to reset and get what you want.
Zion on the finish, slams up.
Catches a breather here on the fourth. Zion Williamson springs free.
8-point lead for the Pelicans, 10:40 left. Off the belly, lob it up top. Zion, 2-hand. Zion coming up. Look out. Zion from Lonzo. Yes! Look out below. The shot clock for Drew with Zion. And a good entry again. He'll stay with it. Go for it. He won't go. 2 high-scoring teams. Pels 5th in the league in scoring. And Zion hard right.
It is something else.
It's a man's league.
See what I mean?
Grab. Great pass.
See what I mean?
Lonzo. Favors. Well, Lonzo's making his impact. Go for it, brother. You got it. James Johnson. For about 2.5 quarters as Zion works on Reed. Blocked away, but Zion stays with the play.
And that's it.
Turnover for Ingram. No defensive balance by New Orleans to get back. But here,
Zion on the back end of the lob.
41st overall, Tim Conley. And
Lonzo did his job by staying in front of Satoransky and forcing.
Yep, 18-6 favoring the Pelicans. Westbrook has it. Punch.
Son, how about the explosion? Twice on the
Add to it here. Zion working on Crowder. Speeding into him, banks it in the foul.
initial matchup and the help that Frank was talking about is appropriate. And there he goes again. Like so in.
There's Williamson. Goes right at Carmelo Anthony. Count it out.
Zion on a spin, and he's going to the line. What footwork. Now Zion spins on Pascal. He'll finish.
You saw that
Right through the chest of Dwight Howard.
That's a guy 6'11", a future Hall of Famer who has blocked.
Giving up a lot of size. Zion finishes with this strong hand.
Zion Williamson up high over Cleveland.
Sets him up, I think. You look at LeBron and pointed at his chest like, my fault.
He's guarding Zion Williamson. I'll let him have that jumper all day. Zion will take it and gets the bounce.
Nice.
12 of 6.
He did a good job. 14 and 7 in his one season. Look out. Zion.
he got it.
You
He got it.
And
He got
go
it.
to the line.
He got it.
In the roll, but Green recovered. Now the lob from Lonzo Ball. What a play!
And then went to Toronto and he traded for me.
Yes. And how about that behind the back? Bond took it away. That was a long pass by Hernan Gomez. Zion on the take. All the way to the rack. How sweet was that move? Drew coming on the curl. The lob. Zion. How about that adjustment? It was behind him on his way down.
At the restricted area, in the restricted circle. So it's one thing to be in the paint because you can take it.
Zion gives it up. Gets it back. Here he is again. Got it again!
It's the shot. J.J. Redick with Zion.
That's
Put his
just
body
strong.
into him.
I'm
You
telling
got
you,
it. It's
that's
on.
just-
Inside to Zion Williamson. Over the top of Smart. Got it back over Tice and one. Now right there, you saw what this
Zion stepping back, pulling the trigger, and hitting a three.
Difficult this continues to be.
Here's Williamson. Count it and a foul. A three-point chance for his
Done. Once the ball is entered into the post,
On the trail, Zion going hard to the hole and on his way to.
Williamson left open to shoot. Now he's on the drive. Zion scores!
Side using that body. 2 of his 5 points in this quarter.
just talked about wanting to get up 53s. They may do it here in this one.
How about they've been out-rebounded by 29. What a move by Williamson with his...
What you do against height, you want to move and then attack height, and having Zion the ability to put it on the deck and then attack.
Hassan Whiteside did the same thing. So what you say is you back off 5 feet and dare him to shoot that basketball. And him understanding what he does best, he takes up that.
Just watch Zion Williamson work. I mean, just the square up to first step. Just, it's easy money for him. You reach, it's over. Good night. Don't.
Able to knock down his first basket, which clearly is a good sign.
On the run is made by an undrafted player. Williamson bunny hops into a bucket.
A 5-second separating shot game, and Zion Williamson.
You had to have this against the sub-500. Zion against James Johnson. He'll get there. Zion's up to 20. A 3-point lead. Now Zion up against Cleveland. And what about a take? Man with the sauce.
And a big win on Friday. The Warriors, Zion and one. He goes strong, and he'll go to the line.
Zion got the triple. Ooh. How about that on the 3?
Again, you see the advancement of the basketball, pull through. Oh, wait, whoa, hold on. That's a nice one.
Aaron Davis or someone will be there waiting for him.